This is my agent warehouse. This is our products, the laser welder. This is some engraving machine for metal or woods. And here's our laser welder, 2000 watts. Here's a laser gun. And here this is a laser cutting machine, 3000 watts. And this one is the demo machine my agent want to sell. So this machine is in the warehouse and it is well adjusted. Everything is good. It's ready for working. Sorry. So everything's good. Yeah, here's the panel. Here's the inside. Here's the panel. And this machine is ready for sale for tube cutting. This is the inside electric arrangement. If you want this machine, we can deliver for you anytime.